How you guys doing today? Welcome back to another episode on AI Pin. And today we'll be going over the Learn AI bot. So once you guys go in the specialized bot section, there's 4 sections. You click on specialized bot and go to Learn AI. This is the Learn AI bot in the AI Pin company. So what is the Learn AI bot? Learn AI bot is basically if you guys need help studying for something, it's not need help guiding through a subject, or you're stuck in school, stuck in college, whatever the case may be, this AI can come and help you with that type of thing. So for example, let's say you're taking a biology class, right? I am taking biology and I need help with photosynthesis. Can you generate me a proper lesson that explains it in basic terms quickly? Now let's see what it comes up with. And it comes right here. Photosynthesis is the process used by plants, algae, and some bacteria to convert light energy, usually from the sun, into chemical energy stored in glucose, a type of sugar. Food production, it is the primary source. Oxygen release, the photosynthesis equation, 6CO2 plus 6HO2 plus light energy, right arrow. This means that chlorophyll, chloroplast, light dependent. It tells you the whole thing, and it gives you a whole description of what it is based on the thing I asked it. So if you guys have any more questions on, for example, you can put in, you can write notes that you've took during class and say, look, can you help me elaborate on these notes and these things? This AI will go and help you on it. So if you guys need any help with homework, come to AI Pinbot. Or if you guys need any help with notes, or you guys need help with classes, come to this AI Pinbot and it can help you study for these exams.